Clothes on the ground, I pretend I don't see. Candy wrappers are found between the bed and the sheets. My succulents died a million times. Now where do I get my oxygen? Guess I gotta go outside like a normal person. Right, don't wanna give up the spot in my bed, lose all the crazy thoughts in my head, but I can't go leaving none in this mess. So I said, cleaning up an offer for my life, for my cries on the floor. Cleaning up and all free through the years and I couldn't be free. Clean up and all to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and all wonder when will the cycle be done. It's been a while since I've got some good vitamin D. I've searched up if it's normal for your skin to turn green. Wore that shirt I sold 5 days in a row. Know that I should care, but I really don't wanna get up, get dressed, but I won't. Cause don't wanna give up the spot in my bed, lose all the crazy thoughts in my head, but I can't go leaving none in this mess. So I said, cleaning up an offer for my life, for my cries on the floor. Cleaning up and all free through the years and I couldn't be free. Clean up and all to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and all wonder when will the cycle be done.
Now on clearance, you'll find clarity, confidence, and self-affirmation, all right next to happiness. If you've come to check these items off your shopping list today, you've come to the right place.
Clean up now for my life, for my cries on the floor. Clean up now free through the years and I couldn't be free. Clean up and all to the habits I couldn't improve. Clean up and all wonder when will the cycle be done.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you feel